Good afternoon, everyone. It's nice to meet you here in China. I'm McGee Chen from Tencent. I'm an optical network architect for data center interconnection. Today, I'll share some experience on open optical network. And I want to give an English speech to introduce our system, TOOP, Tencent Open Optical Platform, and OPC4, which is our first customized optical hardware for data center interconnection. First, let's talk about the challenge. The biggest challenge we face is the rapid growth of data traffic, which requires us to deploy more and more bandwidth. Today is a good time for applications. More and more applications are created for our better life. They consume data and they produce data. Even some mobile apps spread at amazing speed, which requires us to deploy bandwidth more rapidly. So we make great effort to factor our bandwidth deployment. But the traditional transport system we use is vendor lock-in. We buy terminal equipment and transmission equipment and management system from just one supplier. If we want to deploy more bandwidth for an existing network, we have to buy equipment from a particular vendor. The price and the delivery time is always a problem. Even other vendors can provide cheaper equipment and better delivery times. Sorry, we have no choice. We are vendor lock-in. It's ridiculous. We want to make a change. We want to pay for value. And we also very care about the bandwidth quality. And everyone wants a stable system without failure. But we know it's a dream. So we make great effort to build up our powerful capabilities for OEM. But we find it's an impossible mission to manage all different traditional transport systems together. Every vendor system is different. Every vendor system is complex. Every vendor system is quite reasonable to themselves. But for us, always, we just want to find what's happened and what's wrong and how to fix it. But for different traditional transport system, it's a hard work for us. So,
供应商来说，对他们来说其实是很大的一个工作压力，所以这对我们的这种系统也是非常有效率、方便的。如果不这样做的话，可能我们就很难去用最少的时间来修理这些东西，因为对于我们的前线工程师来说，是很难去修整后端发生的这些问题的。那对于我们来说，我们就希望能够改变当前的
We want to make field engineering data center can easily operate and maintenance our optical network. We believe this is the right way for optical network operation. The frontline engineer can finish most cases. The second line engineer can find system defects and push system iteration. The third line engineer and the R&D engineer can develop more applications for what we needed rapidly for easy operation. So, as a conclusion, for the CapEx, we want to bring vendor lock-in and we want to pay for value. But OpEx, we want to optimize resource allocation, let the direct engineer to finish the rest work. And we want to build up powerful OEM capabilities for ourselves. But for the closed and complex traditional optical transport system, can't help us make this goal reality. So we have to design new hardware for data center application. We have to develop new control system to make multi-vendor system and to provide better automation. OPC4 OPC4 is our first customized optical network hardware for data center application.
这么一个光交换的这么一个
It has server-like form format. It's 2RU height
它大概
and
是
440 millimeters wide and 510 millimeter deep.
然后
It's even smaller than a 2RU server,
高是
so
88
it can
毫
be
米，
easily installed in
所以
a
它
19
很
inches
容易
rack.
去
And
装到机架里，
OPC4 have 1+1 power
而且
redundancy.
它还是
The power supply can be 110 and 220 volt AC, 448 volt
接
DC,
入110
or
240的直
240
流
volt
电
HDC.
48V 的48伏的交流电。
Okay. And OPC4 looks like a server, but
它就有
it
一
can
点
be
像这个
extremely
OPC4 呢，就有点像一个服务
extremely
器，
efficiency to provide data center interconnection with
它其实可以
DWDM
很高效率
capability.
的为
We
这
design a
个
very
数据中心
compact
提
OA
供
card with
提供信息。
booster, preamplifier, OCM, OTDR,
它可以提
OSC
供
integrated unit.
它
Just
的
one
内部
card can
植
provide
入了很
bidirectional
多
optical
不同的
signal
模组，比如说
amplification,
BADA、OCM、
monitoring,
OTDR 和
and
OSC。
fiber diagnosis capabilities.
还有这
And
个光纤诊断的
for our
能力。
design,
那我
we
们的这个
significantly
设计呢，
reduce the number of fibers.
就是想要
And,
减少这个
and
光
the
纤的数量。
functions of fibers of each fiber is very easy to understand.
你
So
说放
it's
到各
easy
单
for our
个呢，其
engineer
实是
to
比较好理解的。
understand the whole optical transport system
如果
and
少
to
的话，
operate
其实
and
我们就可以更
maintenance
好的理解整个
all
一台
optical
系
network
的系统，
equipments.
了解整个设备。
Is that all? No.
就到这里了吗？不是的
We，do more for
它有别的
easy
功能，
operation.
比如说可以更
We
便利
design
操作。
a screen for OPC4, which
用
lets
这
the
个
OPC4 can tell us more things directly.
就可以很直观的
OPC4 can tell us who
它
is
可以告诉我
can
们，
tell us who is it and what happens.
它在
with
时
the
间里
screen
面，然后在发生什么
So
都可以
when
用
you
屏幕
put a
看到。
lot of
所以如果
equipment together,
你把很多的
It's
放在
amazing.
一起的时候，你就会发现
you
非
can
常神
easily
奇。
identify the
你就
one
很
you
容易
design.
可以很轻松的去发
And
现
we also design a button.
你设计的这个东西。
So
很
the
容易去
field
发现你设
engineer
计
in
的
the
东西。
data center can make a conform directly from the equipment
所以这个数据
instead of
数
using
据
a
中
mobile
心
phone.
它就不需要用手机，而是
So
可以
it's-
直接
it's-
通
it's
过
very
这个仪
perfect.
器来进行确认。
And together with the
所以非常的
screen,
完美
the
一个系
button,
统。
and another thing,
另外我还要
the
提一下，
screen can be remote controlled by our
还可
controller,
以用我们
as
的
well
这个
as
空
the
气遥控。
LED indicators. So together with the screen button and the LED indicators, a new and more efficiency
所以这是一
interaction
种
mode
更
can be
新、
created
更有高效、更
between
高效的交互
NOC
形式。
and the field engineer in data center.
而且整个的数据中心里面所
Okay.
需要待在那里的
OPC4
工程师也就少了。
is born for data center. It's very
它就是
easy
为
to
这个数据
operation.
中心而生的，非常好操作。
But more importantly,
那更重要的
OPC4 is
就是
an
这
open
个
line system.
它是
It's
一
truly
个
decoupling
开
between
放
the
线
terminal equipments
的
and
系统。
transmission equipments. Based on OPC4, we
在
can
这
break
基础上
interlocking
我们
and we can buy better equipments
而且可以购
freely
买
as we want.
想
And
购
for the
买我们
hardware,
想要的这种硬
We
件
just
和新的系统。
split one single system into separate systems,
我们
separate
就把
subsystems.
单一的一个系统分成了各种各样的
Subsystem
小
can
的系统，
evolve
那
at
这些每
their
一个
own
小的系统都可
pace.
以进行继续的演化，而且
The
有
terminal
自己的节奏。
equipments
那
and
这
the
些终端
transmission
的
equipments
还有
has
传输
different
的设
technology
备呢，
life
它们有不
cycle.
同的
The
技术
terminal
应用。
equipments at a more rapid
比如
pace
说，这个终
evolved
端
at a
它
more
的
rapid
累
pace
进
because
的
we
速度
know
就更快一
the
点。
electronic chips follows
那
Moore's
除了电子
law,
元件，
but the amplifier,
它的速度就
WSS,
在这之
and
后。
other active and passive optical components
另外我们还有一
evolve
些
at a
有
more
源
slowly
的和
pace
无源的这种
because
设
it
备。
depends on the innovation of the
因
basic
为我们现在
theory
也在
and the
做一些
materials.
用基础的材料
OPC4
所
is
以它的
is
演进
born
也
from
会
the
越来越
center
快。
and easy
它
operation
就是刚
and
才我们说到的
easily
数
to
据
build
中
up
心
open
而
line
生的非常
system.
好操
And
作，
we
而
also
且它是一个开放线的系统。那除此之
and
外
we
呢，
also define OPC4 as a super sensor for
还
optical
认
network.
为把它界定
It's
成
a
一
data
个
collector.
为网络而生的超级
For
传
one
感
data
器。
service, we have 97 detection points. performance data,
我们的
state
这个
data,
检测
and
比例大
alert
概占
data
了97%。
are continually pushed out.
我们在不断
All
地输
these
出
real-time
传输
data
数
help
据，
us to process control our system.
所以我们就需要不停
We
地处理并且
enable
控制所有的系
streaming
统。
telemetry capabilities
非
for
常有遥
OPC4.
测的能力，也
And
是
for
非常重要
OPC4,
的。
the
那
equipment data model
OPC4，
is based on OpenConfig. And we make some modification
它也做了一些系
to
统方面
fit.
的改进。
We make some modification for customized hardware
比
and
如说我
bidirectional
们
system.
可以去
And
为
some to OpenConfig.
顾客的
We
一
can
些
quickly
硬件
build
做一
up
些调整，
data-oriented system model.
可以做一些
And
以
we
数据为
design
导
a
向
very
的模
powerful
型。
optical transport
还有一些非常强大
equipment
的
for data center application.
光
OPC4 is
源
born for data center
设备，
and easy to operation
而且它们也非常好操作。
and very easy to build up open line system.
做这种开放式线的系统也
And
非
we
常简
define
单。
OPC4 as a super sensor for
所以我
network,
们觉得
which
它是
help
一个
us
网
to
络的
process
超级
control
传
our
感器，这样
network.
可以帮助我
So
们
based on
去处理整个
OPC4,
网
we
络。
can
所以
easily
有
build
这个
up a
OPC4 以
powerful
后
optical
呢，
transport system.
我们就可以有一个更好的传输系统。
Okay, let's talk about TUP.
那我们再来讲一下这个
TUP is
TUP
Tencent's
呢，
open
就是
optical platform.
腾讯
It's based on
开放
OPC4. It's our
光 学
next
平台，
generation
这是一
transport
个
system.
下一
The
代
concept is
的
from
交
the
通
highway.
体系，尤
The
其
fiber
是
is just
在
like
这
the
个高
road.
速路上。
We can have different
尤
types
其
of
是在
roads
路上
and
呢，
we
我
can
们有
have
不同
different
的
types of
材质，有
fibers.
不同的光
For the
纤。
simplest application,
但是
different
这
cars
个最
can
简单的这一
directly
层
drive
呢，就
on
是
the
我
road.
们
And
要把它
optical,
直接
optical signal can directly inject in the
用于
fiber.
路上，
But at
用
this
于
time,
公路。
the optical fiber
与
can't
此同时呢
transmit far away. Just
这
like
些
you
光纤它
drive
的
a
传输距离
road
并不是很远。
drive on a dark road without street light
有的时候你可
and
能就是
without
公路里
traffic
面漆
signs.
黑，也没
You
有
have
什
to
么街
slow
灯，
down.
所以你必须要
It's
降
not a
速。
highway.
这就不是所谓
But
的
how
高
to
速路了。
increase the
那
capacity for the
我们应该
road?
如何去
One way is
提
to
高
broad
这
the
个
road,
公路的这个
and
能
the other
能
way
力和
to
性
build
能，
another road.
并且或者说建立一
But
个新的道路。
or build another road. But another way is to make the vehicles run at a higher
我们不
speed.
光要
But
建立
how to
一
make
个
this?
新，不光要修一条新路，同样还要让车在上面跑。那如何才能
Better
做得更好呢？
monitoring and
我
control
们要更好的
control
去建立
systems are
督
required
和进行
to
控制。
make
那这种系统呢，
high-speed
可
vehicles
以让
run in
我
order.
们这种比
So,
较高速的
It's the same for
车
the
辆呢，
optical
能够非
transport
常有
system.
序的行驶。
We also need
这就是
better
一个下一代的交通系统。
better
那为了
operation
建立这个系统呢，
the
我们同样也
control
需要有一个
capabilities
更
to
好的操
to
作
let
和
all
控制能
network
力，这样
autopilot
所有
and
的
we make great
这些
efforts
试行
to
项目都能更好的进行。
to build
而且
up
我们
this
也做了
capability
很
for our
多的
network.
努力，
And we are
来
willing
打造
to
更强大
discuss
的能力。
this
所以
issue
我们
with anyone who are interested. And our
也
target
很乐意跟大家分
is
享。我们的
to
目标呢，
build up an
就是希望
automatic
能够建立起
and
一个自动
user-friendly
化的，而
system
且以用户
to
为导
factor
向
our
的
bandwidth
系统。
deployment and
这样
improve
能
our
够
bandwidth
实现
quality.
更好的质量和更好的部署。
And we believe
那我们也相信呢，
TUB has a bright future.
TUB 它的前景是
And
非常
we
光明
are
的，而且
we are going to design a new hardware
我
for
们将
terminal
会去
equipment.
为这种
And
终端设
the
备设计新
discussion
的
with
公
our
路。
partner
我们也和我
has
们的
started.
伙伴在进行
And
讨
we are
论，已经开始
we
了这种
welcome
对
more
话。
friends to be involved.
我们希望
And
更
we are
多
going
的
to
朋友
get
加入我们
a。lot of get more data from the
我
network.
们也希望能够从这个网络里
And
得到更
we
多的数
and if
据。
you are
如果
interested
大
in
家对
network
我刚才
automation
所说的
or
这个
data
网络自动
analysis,
化，
please contact
还
us.
有这个
And
数据分析
maybe
有
we
兴趣的
can
话呢，
make
可以
great
来
ideas
跟我们
related
合作。
together.
那我相信我们合作以后
And
可以有更好的想法。
we want to
那我
cooperate
们也
with
希
more
望
friends
能够有更多的
and
人
to
来跟我们当
factor
合
our
作伙伴
system。iteration and make TUB
这样
better
能
and
够
better.
让我们的迭代更加
And
快，然后让我们做得越来越好。那我
OCP
们
is
相
a
信
great
OCP
avenue
是
for
一个
that.
非常好的平
And
台，
its ability to leverage the intelligence
因
of
为
the
它一直
innovation
有
throughout
很
the
强大的能力，可以利
community,
用
OCP
社
community
区
can
利用
help
它
us
的
make
创
this
新
go
能
a
力，利用人
reality.
才来做一些
So let's work
非
together.
常有效的工
Let's
作。所以我希望我们能够协
let's
作。
all work, benefit
我希望
more
我们
networks.
能够通
Thank you.
过努力来造福更多的网络。非常感谢大家。